In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the GOG Galaxy server error quickly and safely. If you've been trying to open the launcher and it keeps failing to connect, freezing, or showing a server-related message, you're definitely not alone. The good news is that there are a couple of simple things you can do right away to figure out whether the issue is on GOG's side or on your own system. And if the launcher still won't cooperate, I'll also show you a reliable workaround so you can keep installing and playing your games without depending on Galaxy. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, the most important thing to check is whether GOG is actually having a wider outage. Sometimes the problem is not your PC, your internet, or the Galaxy client at all. It's just a temporary service issue on GOG servers. To verify this, open your browser and go to the Downdetector GOG status page. This will show you whether other users are reporting connection problems at the same time. If you see a big spike in reports, that usually means the issue is server-side, and the best move is to wait it out rather than endlessly reinstalling the app or changing settings that won't fix it. While you're on that page, pay attention to the comments and outage graph. If multiple people are reporting login failures, blank pages, or launcher connection errors, that's a strong sign GOG is currently down or unstable. In that case, you can save yourself a lot of time by simply checking back later. Server issues often resolve on their own after a while, especially if it's maintenance or a temporary network problem. Now, if the outage page looks normal and GOG services appear to be working, the next step is to bypass the Galaxy launcher entirely. This is one of the best workarounds because GOG gives you access to offline installers through your account library on the GOG website. That means even if Galaxy is having trouble signing in or connecting, you can still get your games directly from your browser. To do that, open the GOG website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to your library and find the game you want to install. Instead of launching through Galaxy, look for the offline installer or downloadable setup files. These are the direct installers provided by GOG, and they let you install the game without depending on the client at all. After you download the installer, run it normally and follow the on-screen steps. This method is especially useful if you just want to get back into a game quickly while the launcher issue is being sorted out. It also gives you a dependable backup option anytime the Galaxy client refuses to connect, crashes on startup, or shows server errors when you try to log in. So to recap, if you're getting a GOG Galaxy server error, start by checking for outages on Downdetector so you know whether it's a global issue. If GOG is down, the best solution is to wait. If the servers are fine, bypass Galaxy by using the offline installers from your GOG library on the website. That way you can still install and play your games without being blocked by the launcher. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fast fixes and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.